Stop struggling with filming, editing, and spending money on expensive freelancers. These 5 free AI tools are the exact stack you need to launch a profitable faceless YouTube channel and start making real money in 2025. Welcome to Ghost Host Auto, your guide to AI and automation for profitable faceless YouTube channels. No camera, no freelancers, just smart tools that help you create faster and earn more while staying completely anonymous. If that sounds like your vibe, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe so you won't miss my next videos. Okay, let's get into the real deal. Tool number 1, the brain. Every powerful faceless channel starts with a strong script. I use AI like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to write the entire thing. The hook, the storyline, the call to action, all in one shot. You simply enter your niche, your tone, your video length, and boom, a high retention script in under 60 seconds. Tool number 2, the voice. Forget microphones. AI voices today are better than most human narrators. I use tools like CapCut or Clipchamp to choose the accent, tone, pacing. And with one click, my ghost host voice is ready. No studios, no retakes, no awkward voiceovers, just instant narration. Tool number 3, the body. This is where your visuals come alive. AI editors like Clipchamp, CapCut, and InVideo take your script, match footage automatically, and build your entire video in minutes. Clips, text graphics, transitions, all done. You simply drag a few elements, make a couple quick swaps, and export. This replaces hours of editing and thousands in outsourcing. Tool number 4, the face. Thumbnails are the number 1 factor that decides if someone clicks your video. I use AI image generators like Midjourney or Leonardo AI to create striking, professional images and then finish them in Canva. High contrast, bold text, powerful expressions. Tool number 5, the oxygen. You can have the best video in the world, but if nobody finds it, it dies. I use free tools like vidIQ or TubeBuddy for SEO. They suggest viral titles, keywords, tags, and even predict your ranking before you publish. This is how small channels blow up without a following. Now that you have the tools, you need the algorithm. What is an algorithm? Everyone says you need to post consistently every day to gain more subscribers and engagement. That is not true. The YouTube algorithm isn't a single judge. It's a recommendation system with one goal: to keep a viewer happy and watching videos on the platform. In the next video, I'll expose the real algorithm secrets so you stop wasting time posting daily and start gaining views exponentially. Plus, my 4-point checklist that guarantees you hit the YouTube homepage. Stop guessing. Don't let the algorithm pass you by. Click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell right now. Your one breakout video is closer than you think. See you in my next video.